It's snack time for Huntrix. Just look at all those goodies. Don't forget something to wash everything down. But be careful. Demons could be closer than you think. Those are some interesting ramen flavors. I know you like things spicy, but we're about to have a disco inferno! Quick, get out of there! Someone call the fire department! Don't worry, Derpy's here to help. Climb on his back and fly. Up, up, and away! We'll take you to someone who can help. Just pretend you're on your own home renovation show. We'll start with something pretty and pink.
Wow! Cool!
You've already ditched a blazing fire.
Meh.
So let's start with a place to help you keep your cool. That's right! We're making you a bathroom! Fully furnished. We can never have too many rubber duckies. But we can't forget the most important part, real water. Hey, careful! That's not a real donut! It's a bath bomb! Nothing beats a bubble bath. Besides, after all that you girls just went through, you deserve a chance to freshen up and relax. Pretend it's spa day. Good thing you brought your swimsuits. Just lie back and scrub all your problems away. Make sure you scrub behind your ears. Ooh, I didn't know this tub was a jacuzzi. Wait, it's not?
Ew. Okay.
Don't worry. I'm sure we can craft up some sort of solution. Always knew plumbing school was a good idea. Here's something to help you do your business. And we're not talking about Huntrix merchandise. This new potty also boasts a familiar face. Who wants to try out our new Labubu latrine? It looks like Rumi is our first taker. Yeah, let's give Rumi some privacy. Don't forget to wash your hands when you're done. Done with the tub? Well, why don't we get you a towel? Meanwhile, why don't we finish refurnishing? Of course, it's new, so maybe it's just furnishing.
Wow!
Next up, it's time for a little ironing. After all, Mira needs a bathrobe too. Don't forget Zoe. Now they're all pretty and pink. That's not enough. You girls are freezing. We need something warm. Start with some orange. Such a vibrant color. Things already look warmer. Now you can keep your feet warm in these cute new slippers. Zoe will take hers in blue. Wow, she's flexible. Mira's in the mood for some sunny yellow. We've earned a snack break. Oh, inspiration strikes! We can put these marshmallows to better use. I was thinking s'mores, but new wall decor works too. In fact, new furniture is just a pantry away. Just look at what we can do with some instant noodles. Add glue. And something soft. And you've got a new couch. Of course, you can't have a couch without any pillows. Wrap something soft around some cotton and seal it up. A plastic cover will help protect from spills. Besides, it'll make it easier to add a familiar face. It's Derpy, but he'll need some ears. That'll do. Aw, twins! Come on, girls, check out the new couch. We know how much you like to veg out. Ah, nothing beats curling up with a furry friend. But be careful. I think this one has a mind of his own. Of course, it's not safe to relax on an empty stomach. Well, I'm sure we can whip something up. In fact, you can have your very own snack bar. Now, what's something all the girls of Huntrix would like? Ooh, how about corn dogs? Yeah, their mouths are watering already. They come in all your favorite flavors, plus ketchup. Of course, we're gonna need to scrounge up some ingredients. Add some coins if you want to have a bite. Why don't we try each of your flavors? First, Mira. Now for Zoe and Rumi. Talk about fast food. Anyone want ketchup? Here's the best part. It's free! Keep it coming. And it's important to hydrate too. These dogs went as fast as they came. Uh-oh, if only cleanup was that easy. Let's spin the Huntrix wheel. Where does it end? Wow, what do you win? A fun new prize. But you gotta be patient. We gotta make it up first. Just need the essentials first, like string and a plastic top. It's a new seat. And a soft cushion so it's extra comfy. Here, Zoe, why don't you take it for a spin? And when we say spin, you know we mean it. But sometimes it's best to stay still and read a good book. Don't forget to show Derpy all those pictures. It's time for Rumi to check her messages. But first, we probably should make her a laptop. Remember, we need something that can fit on a lap. Hence the name, at least when folded in half. Of course, it's always best to personalize. Now you'll need keys, a touchpad, and one cool screensaver. Here, Rumi, you can check all your messages. And it looks like you've got a friend request. Oh, someone's happy to hear from Ginu. But maybe we should see how things go first. Fun's fun, but Huntrix needs to practice for the big show. Why don't we make them a brand new stage? And you can't forget the Huntrix logo. Don't forget, we want the girls to shine on stage. So why don't we bring the stars down to Earth? Of course, we know who the real stars are around here. Come on, girls, it's time to step up, stand tall, and strike a pose. Now it's time to dance. You know the moves. You've trained for this, literally, with Bobby. You're going up, up, up. It's your moment. Oh, come on. You know you want to sing along. That's enough practice for today. Why don't we make something to help you catch some Z's? Great idea. We'll make you some bunk beds. You can all be buddies, which you already are. Add some finishing touches, like pillows and ladders. Maybe some chutes? Okay, girls, it's bedtime. Roomie's on the bottom bunk. Mira's on the top. And Zoe gets the spot in the middle. Wow! Everything in your new house looks great! Of course, our favorite demon hunting band deserves the best. Either way, sleep tight. Don't let Guima bite. Time for a snack break. It's Roomie's favorite, ramyun. Hey, no one said you could cut her off. Wow, a K-pop demon hunter's blind bag. Gotta love when noodles come with their own toppings. Back to the game. Solve this block puzzle before the clock runs out. Don't want to rush you, but time is not on your side. Ooh, looks like Roomie's got her own minifig mini-me. Okay, girls, time to sing. Or hunt demons, whichever comes first.